Hey guys, so what's up? What's going on? Today I decided that I was gonna wash my brushes because it's been a while and I thought I might show you guys how I do it because I'm not really fancy with the whole washing my brushes or whatever. I use the things I have at home, literally. Do not spend any money, extra money I would say, on cleaning my brushes. And also somebody requested that I would do this video because they didn't know that you could wash the brushes. She just got rid of them, which is like crazy for me because damn, there's a lot of brushes. But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys my routine on cleaning my makeup brushes, so keep on watching. So I'm gonna go over everything that I do in order to wash my brushes. I have all my brushes here. I thought it would be a good time to wash them because I mean it's been a while, to be honest with you, and I just did a crazy eye look for my last video, so they all got all crazy and dirty, and I just need to clean my brushes. So I have my packet here of my eye brushes in this one. Obviously I'm not gonna show you every single one of them, because that would be like a 40-minute video. But I'm gonna show you how I wash my sponge every day as well. I mean, when I use it, of course. And then I have my bigger brushes in this one, so I'll go ahead and show you guys how I do that and what I need. So if you guys want to go ahead and do it with me, I'll let you guys know what it is that I use. So of course I have my brushes here that I'm gonna drop on the floor and then wash. And then my one thing, the one soap I guess that I use to clean my brushes, you guys are not gonna believe me, but I mean, you probably are, because honestly, I mean, I'm sure I'm not the only one that has done this, but I use dish soap, okay? And it's okay. It's fine. It's not going to mess up the brushes. I mean, I hope it wouldn't. It works for me. So if you want to try on your nice fancy brushes, don't blame me if they, somehow get messed up. But anyway, I use the whatever dish soap it is that I have. So if you guys have any dish soap, go ahead and use it. If you guys just have any like hand soap, if you want to use that as well. I do recommend though that you use one that is like gentle, I guess. Well, this one I didn't read it. This is the one I have at home, and this is what I'm gonna use today. It's the Palmolive. I cannot read this crap. Anyway, it looks like this. And then I normally get the one that is with vitamin E, which is good because it's supposed to be leaving your hands soft, which means that, if you use it for a brush, it would also leave your brush soft, because we don't want something that's super drying and, super strong, and it's just going to leave the brushes feeling like, hard. So, but it's okay. We're going to try it out. I'm pretty sure it's going to work fine anyway. And if you want to be really extra with the stuff but still affordable on cleaning your brushes, I have a few other things that I use as well. So in order to clean my brushes, I use that, the soap, the dish soap, and then if I don't have this one thing I'm gonna show you, then I just use my fingers and run it across to get it cleaned. But if I do have it and if I feel like using it, then I'll use this one little thing here. It's like a thing to clean brushes, and you see how there's all these indentations right here, and right here, and it literally like runs through, and it says here to clean, refine, and rinse. Like it's really cool. I don't know where I got it from. I must have gotten it from like TJ Maxx or Marshalls or something like that, and I'm sure it was not more than $10 because I would have not paid more than $10 for this. Probably like somewhere around $5 to $7 for this thing. I mean, and it's worth it because it does help when cleaning the brushes, but you don't really need it. If you don't want to buy it, use your fingers. Like I said, I'll show you how you can use your fingers to get them really nice and clean. This is just something extra. And then another thing that's extra that I actually have never even tried, I've had it for like probably over a year, and I just never really tried it, is this makeup brush drying rack that I bought from Walmart. I believe I paid like $10 as well. It says that it holds up to 14 mixed size brushes, and then it's for drying. So I'm probably gonna put the brushes here that I know for sure that I use the most, because, you know, I might need to do my makeup tomorrow and I can't have any wet brushes. It's gonna take a long time for the brushes to dry on their own if they're like thicker brushes. Like if we're talking about this kind of brush, is a lot more dense and thick, it's gonna take a lot longer to dry if you think about it. Rather than if you use one of these right here, it's a little smaller and you can kind of dry it yourself, and it'll be nice and clean and dry for you to use the next day. But you know, just keep that in mind of if you're gonna use it or not. Anyway, I'm trying to make this video nice and short, so we're gonna go ahead and move our setup over to my bathroom with bad lighting and everything. Alright, well that was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what else you would like to watch.